Oh, good girl. Nicely. Come on, strike a pose. Thank you.
Don't judge, he's just a very fluffy snoring step.
Come on, go take a piss. Hey, let's go take a piss. Come on.
Busted. If these furry fugitives made you laugh, like and subscribe for more. See you!
Milo. Get it. Where did you get? Oh! Oh no! You've been eating money?
뱅고. 루비 어디 갔어? 루비! 뱅고! 이 뚱뚱 나와 이제. 여기.
Seems like we have a rock star in the making.
Lay down. Let me see your paws. Dry, 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 dry. Dry, 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 dry. Dry, 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 dry.
Animals understand when you're being kind or trying to help them.
There are thousands of smells in the park, and nothing is like Grandma's.
Floor. Was it you? Was it you? Or was it you who did it?
Negotiating with monkeys doesn't always end in a successful deal.
بيتر دابول بسيط.
Pup's friendship standards is simple. If you're nice, you're invited. The donkey passed the vibe.
تعال دابول.
Think you're an old man, aren't you? You're boy. Old man.
Found the best way to stay fresh this summer. He's basically a human. Doxical.
I won't bite you. I might nibble a little bit, but I won't bite you. Yeah.
Who ate the Hawaiian rolls? Who ate the Hawaiian rolls?
From a scary fall to a beautiful reunion, Mom's hugs are the best.
What are you green dude trying to do? Why are your actions so lawless?
This is Maya.
Look at her face. Oh no, she's jumping.
Before learning how to be kings of the savannah, they master the art of sharing.
Somebody said our meal portion has been downsized?
Okay. Alan, are you mad at me?
What are you doing?
Officially passed the favorite human test.
Get it. Give me the pen. Get it. Come here. Yes!
You like her more than me? You wanna go in here?
Made almost entirely from sugar. The snap.
Enjoying the view is just an excuse for Buddy, not to be ignored by favorite dude.
¡Órale, Shrek! ¡O nos va a agarrar el tráfico! ¡Corre! Caballo que más le trote, sí. Caballo que más le trote, no. Caballo que más le trote, le mando una burra.
Yes.
And the dribbling.
1, 2, 3, go.
Sir.
The higher he stands, the more powerful he feels.
Living like a celebrity with his fluffy bodyguards.
Oh my God.
Keep your balance while reaching for the stars all at once. That's a bit greedy, mate.
Hold your horses, baby. Oh, hold on. Your tongue knocked it out of my hand. Now that's about as far as you can make it, Mr. Britches.
Most pets hug you, but an owl gives you a full neck swivel of affection.
Lay down. Let me see your paws. Dry, 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 dry. Dry, 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 dry. Stop. Stop. No. Stop. Stop. Stop, 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 stop.
Yeah, Did you know dogs can learn self-control and respect boundaries?
The cross is just reminding him to be a good boy for once.
Он очень сильно любит гулять, но, к сожалению,
That's what happens when a dog and a human are perfectly in sync.
своими ножками
Kids who grow up with cats almost always turn out this gentle and warm.
Oh. Good. That's great.
And then, oh, you just got high five. That's penguins. So that's Lucy. So she just did a penguin reading. So that's Lucy.
I've got my blue light glasses on. And this thing has never seen glasses before. And she is teething.
Bite your daddy, he's sleeping. Come on, bite him. I'll give you lots of treats. Bite him like this. Come on. Bite him. Bite.
Hi.
So cute.
Sheba treats every slipper like a limited edition prize. Be like,
Sometimes being polite doesn't get the job done. They gotta use gangster energy.
Smile. vedi sempre una cosa da fare. Io dico di no. Santo che l'ho visto. Blue, what are you doing? We're trying to go grocery shopping. I think we have to get that bed. Look at him, he loves it. Hi, baby.
He's gonna flop.
Oh, hey, good boy. You got the Costco bed.
Oh, here comes the melon. Oh, ah!
Jesus.
Jesus.
Give a kiss.
Good job, buddy.
You're gonna get a video.
The rabbit is clearly the personal trainer here.
Come on, bring me toy.
Taking the dog to the pet store so he can pick his own toy. Pure happiness.
I think I know which one. Yep. Okay.
Ja, ik lass mal dahin, Schatz. Genau. Genau, leg die dahin, ne?
Absolute alertness and defense mode activated, but with a 0% efficiency rate.
Did you eat Mommy's Apple Watch? Were you the one that did this?
Help me, Dad.
Run to Dad.
Look at the cop is out helping them. She's over here like, oh, isn't that cute? Goodness. Isn't that cute?
They've grown so much.
I know.
Oh, this is a family we saw last week.
Yes, I believe so. I believe so.
Absolutely.
Я брал вещи чтобы хоть как-то прокачать свой, как говорится, в тренерской тусовке скилл. Самому упорному выигрывать свою команду.
Can I get a pup cup, please? Somebody give me a pup cup. Give me a pup cup right now. I'm acting so good, standing on Dad's door.
Big brain energy from the cutest little chonk. He calculated the physics and found a loophole.
Get up, Bubba! I'm trying! Get up! All right, get up.
हे प्रभु हे हरि राम कृष्ण जगन्नाथ प्रेमानंदी ये क्या हुआ हे प्रभु
Qual que você quer? É essa que você quer? Ah, essa aqui. Tá bom então, tó.
They're definitely composing their first avant-garde jazz album.
Nothing humbles a determined dog faster than winter air touching the nose.
sleep on the job, look cute, and ensure nobody notices. Welcome to where fur meets funny. Guys, fish don't have fur, but these underwater comedians are absolutely hilarious. Try not to laugh.
Videos like this wouldn't exist. Let's see what they've been up to.
When the animal world meets the human world. Watch until the end to see these two babies.
It's the mommy. Surprised she's let her baby out of her sight so long.
Growing up with a cat means learning to share your hair and actually enjoying it.
For dogs, the park is basically their version of social media.
Stay in the water. It's a little boy.
Weird with spoon.
Okay.
Why are greyhounds like this?
Oh, someone's home. Gotta hide. You'd better pay attention to me. I missed you so much.
Coach, come out and talk about the fact that you peed on the floor downstairs. Coach, we need to talk. We need to talk right now.